we be rising every day. It's another beautiful day here, you guys. I'm in the enchanted forest. I got a pretty sweet spot here, and I hope you're doing well. Today we're talking about 5 foods to eliminate cysts out of the body. Now, when we get these cysts in the body, whether it's ovarian cysts or endometriosis, means that our lymphatic system is backing up, and we need to take some time out to clean our body. So I'm going to give you guys some five foods today that are really going to help to cleanse the lymphatic system and detox these cysts out of the body. The first food, we're knocking it out of the park today with this one. Citrus fruits, lemons, limes, oranges, grapefruit. These are your lymphatic pullers. They're very astringent, high in vitamin C, very hydrating, alkalizing for the body. And you may want to squeeze some lemon lime in your water first thing in the morning. It's super hydrating. You can drink with a straw if it's sensitive on your teeth. I also love eating a whole monomeal of oranges or grapefruit. Really good cyst busters, tumor busters. So try to get in citrus. Very hydrating for the body, high in vitamin C, also good for viruses. The second food, super powerful, berries. Berries are high in antioxidants, flavonoids. Look at the colors of them. You'll find them out here. Raspberries, blueberries, Saskatoon, strawberries coming in season soon. These are mucus pullers, really good for cleansing, detoxifying the lymphatic system, and also really good for your brain. So try to get in berries every day. I like to throw them in my smoothies, just eat them whole, and they're so delicious. Just take a look at the shapes of these as well. They also look like the shapes of our glands and our ovaries. Cherries as well, very good for the ovaries. Try to get in as many berries as you can. Very good for taking out cysts. And the third food, leafy greens. A mix of leafy greens are really good, especially if you have high estrogen in the body. You want to take that out. So try to get in leafy greens every day, mix them up. I like to do different types of greens. I like to eat whole salads, do big green smoothies. Really good for cleansing out your GI tract and taking out excess estrogen if you have it in the body. Also important not to put estrogen in the body from cow's milk, dairy, cheese. Important to eliminate that. But today we're just focusing on what we can incorporate every day. So leafy greens, really good for alkalizing the body, getting the minerals like magnesium. Super important right now. The fourth food are your melons, like papaya. Look at the shape of the papaya. Looks like a vagina. Very good for cleansing out the uterus, the ovaries. Really good to get in these melons. They are hydrating, they're full of vitamins and minerals, very good for detoxing and cleansing out mucus, cysts, backed up waste in the body. So we're looking at hydrating, alkalizing, and regeneration of tissue, damaged tissue, acids burning on tissues. The fifth food are herbs. If you can get in any type of herbs, burdock, right? Even teas, herbal teas, really good for cleansing out the body, also calming the nervous system and the adrenal glands and kidneys. I'm experimenting with chasteberry right now for painful menstrual cramps, noticing huge improvements by incorporating chasteberry. But there's a number of herbs that you can look into. If you are low on calcium, it's good to throw in some parsley in your smoothies. Or if you're wanting to detox heavy metals, throw in cilantro in your smoothies. Really good for cleansing, detoxifying the body. These herbs are important to incorporate every day, especially if you're looking at regenerating the kidneys, right? Important filtration system of our body that helps take out mucus and acid waste. So we want to help the liver and the kidneys, and the herbs can really come in there and do that. So those are some 5 foods today. There's of course many others that we can look into, but those are the foods that you want to try to get in every day. And you're going to notice huge improvements in your health and in cleansing out your liver and cleansing out the reproductive area. So we want to look at incorporating these foods every day, and of course we'll get into a whole bunch of other foods, but those are really important to get in. And we'll be doing more videos out here. It's so beautiful, you guys. I want to show you the other way too. Let me just grab the camera. You can see it's just beautiful out here. So it's just me and the birds and the bees. And I hope you guys have a great day. Always be yourself, be getting into nature, be getting in some whole foods today. When you do that, we'll all be rising.